Iphini likamongameli we-ANC uDavid Mabuza lithi lisakulungele ukuqhubeka nokuba yiphini likamongameli kuRamaphosa. uMabuza ubeseRussia eyolashwa ngenxa yokungaphili kahle uthi odokotela bamnakekele kanti usakulungele ukuqhubeka nomsebenzi wakhe. uMabuza oteketiswa ngokuthi uyikati uthi angeke ayibambe ngobhongwane i-ANC kodwa usazimisele ngokusebenzela iqembu elibusayo.
I never imposed myself on this position. I was elected. I was elected by the people. They said I must come and serve. It will be the same. I will never impose myself. If they say I must run, I will run again. If they say, no, we've got another candidate, I will accept it. Because the will of the majority must always be respected.
Iqembu elibusayo limatasa emkhandlini waseTshwane likhakasela ukubuyela liphathe lo masipala luphuce iDA. uMabuza uthi iqembu angeke lize libemezele abazongenela izikhundla zobumeya ngaphambi kokhetho lohulumeni bezindawo.
Yeah, well, we have realized that probably this is not the right way to do it, to announce mayoral candidates before the elections, because people are fighting for these positions and all that. So we'll announce our mayoral people after the elections.
I-ANC imatasatasa izwe lonke ikhankasela ukuthi abantu baseNingizimu Afrika beyivotele ngomhla ka-1 ngoNovemba. NginguSamkelo Maseko wezindaba ze-SABC ngibika ngiseTshwane.